Hey traders, it's Melissa with Price Plan Profit. It's that time of the week where I break down one trade I nailed and another that didn't work out. More importantly, I'll show you what I learned from both. So let's get started. I will start today with a winning trade I had in Oracle. You can see my entry trim and close here at the bottom of the screen. Oracle pulled back to my buy zone. I use Fibonacci's for this buy zone. I entered the trade here on June the 17th for $4.75 per contract. I did not have a candle close below my stop, so I stayed in the trade even though I took heat right away. I stayed in the trade following my trade plan, trimming at the levels as planned, and placing a break even stop on the trade where I was stopped out at break even. Now, if I hadn't had that discipline of trading my plan, this trade very easily could have been a loser. If I had hopium as Oracle was rallying up here, maybe not trimming as I had planned, or if I had not had a break even stop, right? Still relying on that hopium, hoping that we would come up here to all-time high again, then I would have definitely taken a loss on this trade with the following day's price action. So it isn't always about having those big, huge winners. Sometimes it's about trading your plan with discipline. That is how you become a consistent trader. Speaking of losers, I actually did not have a loss this week, but I do want to show you a trade example that I chose to set out on Google. So let's look at a live chart of Google and I will explain what I'm talking about. All right, so we're looking at a live 4-hour chart on Google. I had identified inside and up candle formation. This is a beautiful buy zone right here. And I was waiting for price to pull back to it. You can see that on Friday, June the 20th, price did pull back to it. But as I told the traders in the trendy room, I was not going to enter this trade, but I wanted to have confirmation that the zone was going to work before entering the trade. The reason I told the traders that is because the overall market was looking weak and Google was looking weak as well. If I go to a smaller time frame chart, we can actually look at the price action and what I was seeing. So it was Friday, the 20th of June, and I have my PMZ zone right here. Here is that 4-hour zone that I was interested in trading. But we have this big candle down. The overall market was looking weak. On the retest of the PMZ, price could not get back above it, telling me it is better to wait and see if I can get some confirmation through higher lows inside of this zone before taking the trade. And obviously, that never happened. Actually, Google has pulled back all the way down to my next lower 4-hour zone. So sometimes it's not about just jumping in because you want to be in a trade. You need to be able to recognize when the market is weak or when the name you're looking to go long is showing weakness. And that is what I did on Friday, June the 20th on this Google trade. It was not a loser. It didn't affect my P&L, but it could have been. So, this is an important lesson that I have learned through trading is sometimes it is better to set out of a trade. I just want to recap some lessons and takeaways from this past week. Number one, have a plan before you enter a trade, such as the Oracle trade. Remain disciplined throughout the entire trade. Do not allow your emotions to cause you to break away from your trade plan. Next, talking about the Google trade that I didn't take, but that would have been a losing trade. Not every buy zone needs to be bought. When the market is showing weakness and the ticker you're looking to trade is even weaker, it's okay to set out. If you want to learn more about how to read the market using supply and demand, please take advantage of the 30-day trial to the Trendy Trading Room at Simpler Trading. It's only $7. You will get to trade live with me and my trading partner, Trendy John, for 30 days and only spend $7. And of course, keep an eye out for more videos to help you become a more structured, disciplined, and consistent trader. Be sure to subscribe so you're notified of new videos, and please like this video and comment a valuable lesson that you learned in your trading recently. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.